Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review the other Pat McGrath quad that she came out with. This came out along with the Nocturnal Nirvana, which I did do a video on, so if you want to watch that, I'll link that in the description box. This one has more of a colorful feel with greens and blues, but it's just gorgeous. So this is the Iconic Illumination quad. This is more of like your neutral kind of colors. Comes in a cardboard box just like the other one does. And then in here is the name inserts and it can just pop out. And then you have this bad boy. So this is again her very luxe packaging, just like in her 10 pan palettes and in the quads. I love this packaging for these. It's just, it feels so luxurious. It's, oh, I love it. And then it's got her logo right there. And then you've got, oops, those shades right there. Now, I wasn't going to get this one because the colors weren't like, I wasn't feeling them. But when I saw this shade, I lost it. I was like, I need, no, I don't want, I need this shade. And plus, these are all her special shades, which are in her 10-piece palette. 10-piece? Oh my god, what? No! In her 10-pan palettes, they're usually at the end. Those 4 shades are always her special shades. And when I looked at it in person, and just, yes, happy purchase right here. She's a luxurious brand. This is $65, just like the other one. Okay, these aren't just regular mattes or things like that or shimmers. These are the special ones, the unique ones. And these are made in Italy, which is why it's also expensive. I gotta say, if you get this, you will fall in love with it and want to use it every single day of your life. To the store, to the office, wherever, you'll want it in your collection. So I'm going to show you the swatches. All right, let me get the card out so I know the names. So this shade, the, oh my gosh, stunning, get on my eyes shade, is called Astral Gold Allure. This red one is Blitz Bordeaux. I think that's how you say it. This one is Blitz Brown, and then this one is Bronze Gold 003. So this is Astral Gold Allure. Holy ball sacks. Whew. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks so wet, you know? Oh, and it's showing so nice. I am using you on my eyes today. And then this one is Blitz Bordeaux, I think. I'm sorry. I hope that's right. Look at that red. It's so gorgeous. And this one is Blitz Brown. They swatch so beautifully. And then the last one is Bronze Gold 003. I love this. I'm ready to play. So in my last video, the one that I used, this quad, I did use one of her big pan palettes to like put in the crease and everything. But I think today, I'm just going to use the quad for the whole look. See if I can use any of these other shades with some, which I'm sure you can totally do. So let's get on to the eye look. So I think I'm going to take the Blitz Brown on my brush. This is a Wayne Goss number 18 brush. And don't worry, it's just stained from one of my other shadows. But so I'm going to just take that on a brush. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I used the brown in the crease and a little on the lid and just blew it out. And then I went in with the red shade and kind of went over where that brown was. And it looks so pretty. So now we go in with the beauty. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna just use my finger. That's just what I like to do with shimmers or glitter, you know, pressed glitters or anything like that. I just find that it works better for me, but if you want to try it with a brush, it's totally fine. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. I'm dead. Holy moly. Whew, she's a beauty. So I am noticing I'm getting some fallout. I didn't get fallout with the other ones, but with this one, because it's more glittery and a little bit more chunky, I think that's why it's having some fallout. Are you seeing that? I hope you're seeing this. This is the shit. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and see if I can wipe this glitter away. Oh yes, that was easy. Nothing sticking whatsoever. It comes off so good. Some went on my lower lash line, but I ain't hating it. Now let's do the lower lash line. I'm going to take those same colors that I took on the top and I'm going to blend them out on the bottom. Wow, so that blended really, really well on the lower lash line as well. And they just look so smooth and this is so awesome. All right, so I'm going to put mascara on, lashes, liner, you know, the whole shebang like I always do. And I will be right back. Hi guys, I'm back and I have lashes, liner, and everything done. So this is the finished look. I am obsessed. I can't. This shade is seriously magical. I am so glad I got this palette. This shade is, oh my gosh, oh, golly crap. Oops, excuse that. That's from the swatches. But, that is so beautiful. Look at the shine. Seriously, you need this in your life. It looks, you know, smoky. I mean, I like smoky eyes and stuff like that. So you could even maybe just do one shade of any of these and just put it all over your lid, mascara, and boom, you're out the door. You don't need to use all of the shades. You can just use one. And this one, I feel like it's more of like a topper because it's kind of sheer, but you get that bam with that glitter and pigment and just shine. So that I would use maybe overshadow. Any of these too, like you can use it over any of these. These it would be perfect. And this is, I believe it's limited edition. So if you want it, get your hands on it. If you don't want it, totally fine. It's up to you. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review and eye look that I did. Oh, and she is coming out with another quad. I think it's already out. Duh, of course it's out, woman. So there is a third quad and I did purchase it. So it says it should be here on Friday. So I am hoping I can get it and then just start filming like right away. So be on the lookout for that. That's the one that has like the pinks and golds and stuff like that. So I will be doing a review on that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this is more of your, oops. I'm gonna take those exact same shades that I took up on the upper. So I'm gonna take those same shades that I put, I lost my train of thought. That is the, so, what is the words?